What's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing MI Band 5. Let's go. I have opened the package. When I take it out, I have a bubble sheet. Nothing else. I'll keep this back here. And I have my MI Band 5. So if you look at the box, we have all these specifications here. Real-time heart rate monitor, waterproof up to 50 meters, magnetic charging, innovation for everyone. We can see that here. And yeah, other specifications here. It's Bluetooth. And here we have MI Band Smart Band 5. So the box is pretty simple. Let us open and see what we get inside. When I open it, I get a lid type of thing to pull, and this is the MI Band 5. Nothing else in the box. I'll keep it here. Now we have the MI Band 5 right here. We'll come to this later. And in the box we have other things like the charger. Let me see. How do we open this thing? We have the charger, magnetic charger. And I don't think so we have anything left. Yeah, we have the manual and nothing else. So this is the MI Band 5. Let's see how is it. I'll take my cutter. Ooh. So now if we see the build quality of this, it's pretty good. You can see the same thin strap. It's turnable, and as usual you can remove it. I don't want to remove it. Yeah, now we have the MI Band 5. Let me try starting it. How do we start this thing? That's all guys. This was the unboxing of the MI Band 5. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. If you want me to make another video of me unboxing things like this, or making a video about the MI Band 5, the tips and tricks, the how to install the app and all the other types of things, please give me 50 likes for this video, please. Thank you. Bye.